In this video, we are going to talk about how you can create a WordPress website under 10 minutes using free theme and free plugins. So if that sounds interesting and you also want to create your WordPress website using free resources, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So without wasting any time, let's dive in our WordPress backend and see how we can create a website on WordPress using free theme and free plugin. And all that will be done in just 10 minutes. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and right now if we go in the plugin section, we don't have anything. And if we go in the appearance section, we have the default 2020 theme. So let's start by adding a free theme first. So we go to add new, and here we are going to search for Cadence. So this is the Cadence WordPress theme, which is very lightweight and it got a lot of flexibility which you can use to customize your business website as per your requirement. So let's go ahead and install this theme and let's activate this. And now we can get rid of this old theme. So let's delete this. Alright, so the only theme we have right now is Cadence WP theme. And on the very top, you see we are getting a notification that we can install Cadence starter templates. So we are going to use that in this video. So let's go ahead and install that. And here we have a lot of options which are free of cost available to create your WordPress website. Maybe you have a coffee shop or any small restaurant that you want to showcase in this form. So you can use this template. Or maybe you have a e-commerce website where you can show your products like this. So you can use this template, or there are a lot of templates available that you can easily use for free of cost. And with that, you will be able to create your WordPress website in just no time. So before we proceed and choose any of these templates, let's first install one plugin. So we go to plugin and then click on add new. And here we will search for Cadence again. So this is the Cadence blocks from Cadence themes itself. And this plugin will help you create the content of your various pages, and you will be able to create any design as you like using the free Gutenberg blocks that are available with this plugin. So let's activate this. So here you can see this is the list of Gutenberg add-ons that you can use to create the complete site design. Now we can come back to appearance. Under Cadence, we have starter templates. And before we proceed, let me just show you how the front end of the site looks. So this is how it looks. Pretty straightforward, nothing fancy as of now. Now let's say you are creating this SaaS company or a digital service agency site. So if we click on this starter template, this is how it looks. And it looks pretty modern in design, and you can see we have a great color combination here. So we can go ahead and use this complete template as it is and create our full website using this. So all we have to do is just click on this option here. We have a single page so that we can import this single page only, or we have a full site import option that we can use. So with that, we will be able to import this complete design and all the pages on our website. So let's go ahead and do that. And here if we go in the import details and advanced settings, here you can see the required plugins Cadence blocks, which we have already installed and it is active. And after this, we have advanced settings. So here it's asking us to import customizer settings that we definitely want. And after that, we have the import content. So this is going to import the sample content as well. So again, this will be really helpful if we do that. After this, we can also subscribe for the newsletter from Cadence. So if you want to know what's going on with the company and what are the new starter templates that they are putting live, so you can go ahead and enter your email address here and get notified with their newsletter. But right now we are going to skip and start importing. So let's click here. So this is just going to take a few minutes and then this template will get imported in our WordPress setup. So now we have successfully imported everything from this template to our WordPress setup. So now we can go ahead and check the finished website. So let's open this in a new tab. So this was the old look of our website with just a sample content and this pretty much flat homepage. And now this is our new website look. So here we have everything that we need for a agency or a SaaS company website. And again, it's a pretty modern design. You can go ahead and click on any of the inner page and this is how it looks. So this is a pretty modern and perfect design that you can use on your WordPress business website. And now once we have imported all this content and design, you can easily go ahead and customize the design as well as edit the content as per your requirement. All you have to do is to go to this edit page, and here we are in the Gutenberg editor of this page, that is contact page. So here you can see we have this big giant hero section. Here you can just click on the element and then start typing or do anything as you like. And on the left hand side we have some content, we have some paragraphs here, and after this we have this Gutenberg block from Kadence itself to create this contact form. And after this we have some general information, so pretty modern and clean design. Below this we have FAQ section, so here we have an accordion as well, so that again coming from the Kadence blocks. So this is how you can use the Gutenberg editor to design this page as per your requirement. Now if you are new to the Gutenberg editor and you want to learn how you can create these pages and use various blocks to create the final look, then you can go ahead and check our video tutorial about Gutenberg, where we talk about how you can do all the things with Gutenberg editor to create pages like this. So we will leave the link of that video in the I button above or the video description below. So this is how easy it is to create your complete WordPress business website using free themes and free plugins. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.